Rented a Toro Stx-38 Stump grinder. That's my first time doing this stuff. You know, and I honestly have to say it wasn't too bad the first few steps that I've grinded with it so far. I opted for the bigger machine. I figured that would be easier and less bouncy when you were cutting on the stumps. So it's turning out to be an okay machine. So it's quite big, as you can see, and it does grind those stumps down pretty good. So rental for the day on this thing out in Oak Grove, Missouri, where I'm from. Actually, Kansas City, Missouri is where I'm from, but Oak Grove's just right down the street from me. $300 for the day, $268 with tax, so $300 for the day. Not a bad little deal. Those guys are pretty cool over there, so check them out. Oak Grove Rental. Do a little close up here. A little shout out to my guys over there at Oak Grove Rental. Joel's the one that really helped me understand this machine and get through it, so the guy was really helpful over there. Joel, that's your man over there. So I'll just do a little walk around of the machine. The controls are pretty intuitive. There's a little picture guide on the front there, 1 through 4, explaining how to cut, cutting patterns. Throttle, key right here. This is for your tracks. Pretty straightforward. Front, go forward. Pull back, go backwards, and then to the left and to the right, steering. Blade control. Have to engage the lever here and push down on the red button, and then you have to hold this lever down, otherwise the machine won't work. Well, let me back up. The blade won't work. So as long as you have that lever engaged right there, blade's rolling. Gas tank's pretty large. So I ground half a day yesterday and burned through, what was it, 12 gallons of gas. Unleaded fuel. On tracks, so it makes it easier to maneuver, especially around large stumps if you're grinding out large stumps. Easier to navigate this thing around. So looks like my cat wants to join in here. Hi, Gray. Hi, what are you doing? Oh yeah? Meow meow. All right, Inspector Cat. Anyway, here's the cutting teeth on this thing. So you can see the teeth pattern right here. These two are narrow, close to the blade, close to the connecting point of the blade, and these are wider right here. Wider, and then the next two down will be narrow like this again. And that's what the actual cutting tooth is. So you notice on this one right here, this one's pretty dull. Not cutting very well on that one. This one's all blown out right there. Chipped out, blown out. Don't know how well you guys can see that. But all in all, hydraulic machine. Excellent for grinding down stumps. Pretty happy with it.